Let's talk about my favorite part, the galley kitchen. The pin drop galley kitchen. Because I don't know about you, but I like to cook when I'm outdoors. And this is the best outdoor cooking experience you could ask for. The pin drop galley kitchen has a 2-burner stove right here. It has a cold food storage option. This one has the fridge. We also have a Canyon Cooler ice chest as an option. Plenty of capacity in there for all your fresh food. It's got 16 square foot of countertop space. So all kinds of countertop space here. So you've got plenty of room to prep your food. Not having to worry about where you're going to place things. You got plenty of spaces to place things. You got a deep basin stainless steel sink with fresh water right here at your command. You got plenty of storage all throughout. You got storage underneath here, dry storage underneath here, spice racks built into the doors. You got storage underneath the stove. You've got storage here in the center cabinet, storage underneath these flaps here and here, and you've got storage up in here for canned goods, etc. In addition to all the storage and countertop space and this amazing U-shaped galley, you've also got lights accessible right here. You've got charging docks accessible right here, cigarette lighter, USB charging docks, and best of all, you've got surround sound from Rockford Fosgate, another Arizona-based company. So when you're out here cooking, you can turn a little bit of music on, Bluetooth to the stereo in the cabin, and really enjoy yourself when you're out in the great outdoors cooking your favorite meal. The Pin Drop Galley Kitchen, I think, is one of the things that sets us apart from all other brands out there. We've really put a lot of thought into our kitchen, and I like to cook, so I built this kitchen for myself, selfishly, but I think you'll like it too, including a little wind guard, just to keep things from blowing around on your cooktop. A great design, a great trailer. Get out there and enjoy yourselves cooking in the great outdoors. And you don't have to be a plumber or an engineer to work any of this stuff. You just pull out the drawers, you start cooking. It's just as easy as that.